Hey everybody, it's Jayneesa. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put these clip-ins in my hair. So these clip-ins I actually got from Amazon, and I will be putting a link down in the description box below. So I actually just braided my hair. I don't know how to scalp braid, so I braided my hair and then I twisted all the braids together and I just bobby pinned them in the back just like this. So this is the bag that the clip-ins come in, and I'm going to start off with the clip-in with the 4 clips. And then I'm going to just spray it with water, and I'm going to use this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Spray it all over the hair, and then I'm gonna just comb it out with a wide tooth comb. So there is a twist in the front of my hair, and this is what I'm gonna use for my leave out. So the first set, I'm gonna just put it on the back of my head just like this. And since this hair is curly, you don't have to worry about it being super flat because of the braids in the back. But if you can scalp braid, that actually might be a little bit better. So this is what my hair looks like so far. So I'm gonna just keep doing the same routine, just spraying the hair with water and then use conditioner, comb it out with a wide tooth comb, and then I'm gonna just keep building up the layers. So for my leave out, this is freshly washed hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and make a middle part. So here I'm just spraying it with water. Then I'm gonna be using my Eagle Styler gel, and then I'm gonna just shingle my hair to make sure each piece is really curly. And just to style my hair a little bit, I am going to put some bobby pins on the left side of my hair. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave down below any future suggestions you would like me to do next. And I'm going to also put my social media down below. And until next time, bye guys.